Welcome back to another episode. Today we're gonna do something a little quick. We're going to try to replace the speakers on my doors, since they started making a little bit of a noise. So I want to see if I can remove the panel without breaking anything and install new speakers. So I recently got some new but used speakers. I guess if you can, they're brand new in box, but they were bought by somebody who never installed them. And why are they not opening? Basically what I did was I bought them for a lot more affordable that they would be if I bought them new. So it's basically this. They are kickers and they are 5-inch each. And I will be placing that on the doors and see how that sounds. So let's go. So I started by basically just pulling it from underneath this way. And I pulled this handle, which was this. And the handle comes off, and then there was 2 screws, one here and one here, which one of them fell, and the other one I will be getting my lovely metal tray. Where are you? And we're going to put it right, no, not this one, metal tray, and we are going to be putting it right here. So let's continue. All right, where did that go? Crap, oh, it's right here. All right, so we have our plug here. Oh crap, don't break it, please. All right, I need me a thin screwdriver. Oh, come on, what is going on here? All right, maybe I can just take the whole thing off. That way, there we go. Oh boy, this plug was hard, but it goes right here, and then the plug remains like that. And you can take off the whole cover of the door. Don't break it, don't do anything that. And now, we have exposed the speaker. Now that speaker has seen better days. Oh my god, that is pretty bad. All right, so I guess we'll remove the bolts. Okay, let me just take this out. Oh, I guess they're the same bolts, which is good. And is it one underneath? Maybe there's one underneath only. Yeah, it is. All right, now I just have to see why this doesn't come off. Do I have to pry it? I might have to. Yep, I did have to pry it. Let's take out the plug, the speaker. Wow, that's pretty cool. It comes with insulation. I'm gonna put that back, I don't wanna lose it. All right, now we can, I guess, remove the speaker. So I guess now we can just remove the speaker from it. Hold on, let me get my wide angle. All right, there we go. Now, not sure how you would remove this speaker from here, but sure we can try. I mean, technically speaking, I don't need this space, but I do need the plug for sure. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be tough. Okay, we need the foam here too. Let's inspect our speaker. Okay, nice. And it does come with an adapter, which that can potentially mean I can just cut the wire and put this on top. So that can be nice. Let's see. Oh, and these are the slim ones. Okay, all right. It comes with hardware. Okay, that's nice, but it does not come with bolts, so that's a bummer. Okay. They were stuck to the magnet. So whoa, wait a minute. So this goes here. These are long. Does the mesh come off? It does. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Okay, so then this one goes here, right, and then that one. I guess this one would have to go through here, I'm guessing. All right, so I have cut the plug that came from the OEM, and it's a black and white, so I'm assuming black is ground. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to solder it to the other speaker, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I don't blow it up. Just like that, we finished it. Now what we're gonna do is did a little bit of tug, doesn't come off. Put the shrink tubes, and we're gonna shrink it now. Now we just go and test it. We make sure it works. So before we even put it back on all together, we should just plug it in and see if it runs and it turns on. So let's do that. All right. Wait, what? How does this go? Oh, sideways. All right. Let's see. I guess we can hang it here for now. Let's see. Is it gonna connect to my phone? All right. I guess it will. All right. Okay. For copyright reasons, I didn't share the music that much. I just shared a tiny little bit, but it's in and it works. My plug works. And now I just have to plug back this in. This is okay. I just hope it's not going to be too much when I put the door, but we shall find out soon. So let's put it all back together. And just like that, we put in back our 2 bolts, and we cover everything via covers and made sure that everything's flush here, and we're all set. We're just gonna put these pieces back and it should be good to go. It's hard to do with one hand, but there we go. All right, and it's back in. Now let's try that again with music, make sure everything went well. Where's the key? Where's the key? Where'd the key go? Oh, I left it out there. Okay, window works and we're good. Now just waiting for it to connect. And it works. So we have done the front door as well. It's the same thing. There is a bolt here and a bolt here. There's 2 bolts, one right here and one right here. And the whole thing pops right out, which is right there. Now, to remove the actual speaker will be the same thing, 3 volts. This seems to be in good condition, but still has seen better days. So let's go. Okay, so we have finalized the front. The front was a little different. I had to do something a little not the same as what I did before because the actual plug was embedded. As you can see, it was embedded onto the frame, and I wasn't gonna cut plastic and try to transfer because at the end of the day, it's still soldered to the back of this. So I just decided to go with a little connectors, butt connectors, and just cut out the cable, crimp it, and connect it, and we're golden. So that is basically front and back, and then we're gonna do the other side and it should be done. Obviously, for purposes of copyright, I won't be able to play some music, but it sounds a lot better. Not the best, so I have some stuff that I might change in the future to make it look better, but let me just show you guys when it's all done. All right, so we finished the front door, the driver's side, and now we're on to the back. But I just wanted to show you guys the reason why I decided to change these speakers, because as you can see here, it's all broken. This is the floor. All this fell from it, and it's basically non-existent. The cone is non-existent, so I was lucky it was actually making noise, but we're gonna change that. We're gonna change it again. Alright, so this is what it looks like. The plug is ready. As I did on the previous one, I transferred the plug with my wiring, positive to positive, negative to negative. The 3 volts, this one I had to do it sideways because it doesn't align like the other side, but it's in. So let's just give it a test. Okay, so it might not be the loudest because I knew it wasn't gonna happen because I don't have an amplifier, but it definitely is a lot better. It sounds a lot crispier. It's not as bad. The back ones, as you saw, they were already cracked up, so it was okay. It was a good upgrade, and now the car is gonna sound really good while I ride on it. So that being said, if you like me to modify this car, which wasn't a lot, but if you want to continue, if you want to see me continue modifying this car, please leave a thumbs up, comment, share it. And because the algorithm lately hasn't been liking me since I haven't been as active as I was, but I still have struggled to create content for this specific car since there's not much. I want to do some other stuff, like as you can see there, I have a box for underglow, and not underglow, sorry, it's gonna be the inner glow. And I want to do a bunch of other things, like this thing needs brakes, but I want to get a big brake kit. So smash that like button. Thank you very much. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.